Ed Beaver Toyota, your number one. Are you ready for a Toyota? Don't pay too much for the wonderful looking car you want. Come on down and take a look at this beautiful looking 2009 Toyota Prius. The gas-saving hybrid engine will allow you to dominate the road with style and get terrific fuel economy while you're at it.